Welcome. In front of me I have CAT S42, and today we are going to check if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protection, and this smartphone comes from European distribution. So take a look. When we take a look closely, I'm going to zoom in with the camera to show you it better. As you can see here, we got the cutout for the camera, for the sensors, for the camera. So yes, this smartphone got protection. There's the very thin foil. It will protect our display from scratches. And it comes from the edge to the edge. There's nice feeling when you touch it. And if you want to protect your smartphone more, definitely I can recommend you to install here tempered glass. So as you can see, that's it. Here we have a foil on the display. There is factory installed. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.